Let's talk a little bit about switch statements. I'm going to make a new class, and we actually can't call this class switch. We have to call it switch it or something else. We can't call it switch because we can't do that. Just put it that way. Clear my console. Okay. We have a letter grade system. Our letter grade system includes A, B, C, F. A, B, C, or F. How about that? You either get an A, you get an B, you get a C, or you get an F. So how do we represent that? We're going to make a variable that's going to store the letter grade. Let's call it grade. And since it's only going to be one letter, we're going to make it a char variable. Okay. Equal to, and we don't know what it's equal to yet. Not yet. Okay. So if our grade is equal to A, what do we want it to do? We want system.out.println. What do we want it to print? We want it to print awesome and print a smiley face. Okay? And let's just copy and paste this because I don't want to retype it. We're going to copy and paste this if statement. If grade is B, we're going to type out B is for average. And we're going to put a neutral face, if you will. And let's see. If grade is C, we can put meh. And we can put a not so happy face. And if grade is F, we can put a unhappy, angry face and nothing else, because that is what an F is. Okay, so let's make our grade something. Let's make it A. Play. Okay. Proceed. Oh, my bad. Whenever we're making a char value, we need to make it in single quotation marks. There we go. Okay, awesome right there. Make it B. What happens? Average. And trust me, it works C through F. Okay? Now, what's a switch statement? A switch statement is a way to take all these if statements and make it a little more neat, make it a little more compact, if you will. How do we do that? Okay, so first let's start by writing switch. And our switch will be determined based on the value of grade. So we're going to put in grade into these brackets right here. We're going to open up a code block just like this. And we're going to make several cases. What happens in case grade, whoa, not capitals, in case grade is A? What happens then? Okay, so we put case, we put what we want grade to be right there. We want grade to be A. We put a colon, and then we put what happens. Now we can do this on a separate line, we can do this on the same line, it doesn't really matter. If grade is A, let's set a string variable, which we're going to define right now, capital S, string message. Okay? We're going to set, if grade is A, our message to the user, because the user wants to see what their grade represents, our message to the user will be, what did we have last time? Awesome? With a smiley face, was it? There. Now it's a frowny face. There we go. Smiley face. And one thing that we need to do a semicolon right there. And after every switch statement, we need to have, after every case rather, we need to have a break. If you don't have a break, it's going to mess your switch statement up. So just remember, I could explain why, but just remember, after every case, you have a break. Okay? Case B, in case grade is equal to B, colon, message equals good. How about that? Good, but not great. Not awesome. It's just good. And then we break. Okay, and in case grade equals C, our message is gonna be average. There we go. So I'm gonna have that face, and we're gonna break right there. Okay. What else can it be? In case I said A, B, C, or F. In case F, message equals there. Semicolon. Break. Now, let's try to run this, and I'm going to tell you that this isn't going to run right away. Oh wait, we need to do something. We need to print message. System.out.println line message. We need to do that. Okay, so at the end, after we've gone through the switch statement, we're going to print out message. But this is in red. Why is this in red? This isn't going to work. I'll show you. This isn't going to work. Proceed. It gives me an error. What does it say? Local variable message may not have been initialized. But why? I mean, we have it initialized right here. A, B, C, or F. Everyone has a message assigned to it. Well, what if grade is not F? Or A, B, C, or F? What if it's R? What if for some reason the grade is R? We didn't handle that, but we need to. So how do we do that? We handle that by making a default case. So we just type in default, and we put a colon just like we would on a regular case. Here, I'll even line it up. And we put message equals grade not defined. How about that? Okay? And we have to break it just like a regular switch statement. So case A, case B, case C, case F, and then a default to handle anything else we might have thrown at us. Okay? We press play, proceed, it works. You see, grade R, grade not defined. We hit grade B, play, okay, proceed, good. So that's a switch statement. Now, let me show you what happens if you don't include a break. If your grade is set to B and you don't include a break statement here, it will find B, and then it will go down until it hits a break. Everything, even if the grade's not C, it's still going to go down to case C, and it's going to set message to average, because only after case C do we have a break. So that's why we have a break after every statement. Okay? And that's a switch statement for you. It's a space-saving thing that can make you not type out a lot of if statements. Just simple switch. Okay?